Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new method how to calculate cube of a two-digit number. So today we are actually going to use the expansion of sum of two digits. So a plus b whole cube. We actually expand this as a cube 3a square b 3ab square and b cube, and we are going to use the same thing for today's calculation. Now over here we have a rectangle, divided this in 4 equal parts. Now this first part is for a cube, 3a square b goes in the second part, 3ab square in the third, and in the fourth part we have b cube. So let us take a number. We are taking the number 29. So we have to calculate the cube of 29. Over here a is 2 and b is 9. So in the first box goes 2 cube, in the second one goes 2, 3 multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 9. Then in the third one goes 3, 2 multiplied by 9 square, and in the fourth one it is b cube, which is 9 cube. So 9 cube is actually 729. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9 square, it gives us 486. 3 multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 9, it gives us the value 108, and 2 cube is 8. Now over here what we have to do, we have to take just the first digit. I'm writing it down over here. Taking these two, 72, right over here, 72, adding this, and now we have the number 558. I'm going to write 8 over here, and taking this 55 at this place. So we are carrying, just noting down the unit digit, and the rest we have to carry to the next rectangle. Now 108 plus 55 will give us 163. Again I'm writing just the 3, and 16 will go over here. Now 18 plus 16 will give us 24, and we are writing this 24 over here. Now take all these digits in a line and writing it as 2, 4, 3, 8, 9. And this is the value. So 29 cube is equal to 24,389. So yes, this is the method how we calculate the cube of a particular number. Let us take another example for the same. So now we are going to calculate the cube of 71. So over here again it's a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, and then b cube. So a is 7 and b is 1. So I'm writing 7 cube, 3 times 7 squared times 1, 3 times 7 times 1 square, and then 1 cube. Now 1 cube will give us 1. 3 times 7 times 1 square is 21. 3 times 7 square is 147, and 7 cube is 343. So now moving to the next step. Since this is just the single digit, I'm writing 1 over here. Now in case of 21, I'm writing this 1